Okay, Kason. This time I'm going to have you do these problems in the book. We're going to start with number 11, but before we do that, I want you to look at the two squares up at the top of the page. Okay? In the A box, I would like you to write the number 1 in that box. Okay? In the B box, I would like you to write the number 3. Okay, now I would like you to go down to number 11. And I'm going to want you to do some math. So you're going to begin with number 11. Do as many problems as you can. If you come to one you do not know or do not know how to do, just skip it and try the next one. Okay, so show me where number 11 is. Okay, start with number 11, please. Can you sit up nice and tall for me? Thank you. Okay, Kason, let's go ahead and stop. Okay, Kason, I'm going to have you do some writing samples for me. I'm going to ask you to do some writing. So please write or print, well, in your case, print your answers neatly so that I can read them. You just try the best you can, okay? So look at number 7. Okay, so here's your blank lines you're going to write on, okay? Number 7. Write a good sentence that tells what is happening in the picture. Write a good sentence. You done with that one? Can you take your head off the table, please, and sit up? Okay, number 8. Write a good sentence that tells what the girl is doing. Okay, number 9. A woman cannot find her car keys. Write one good sentence that tells about this. and uses the words by the car. Finished with that one? Number 10. Write one good sentence that tells what is happening in this picture and what could happen next. Finished? Okay. Look at the picture number 11. Write a good sentence that tells what a flashlight does. Okay, please sit up with head off the table and off your arm, please. Thank you. Number 12. Write a good sentence that tells what is happening in the picture. Number 12. Okay, we're going to continue on with number 13. Make sure you print your answers neatly so I can read them. And remember to just do the best you can. Number 13, look at the picture. Write a good sentence that tells about the picture and uses the word because. Okay, can you sit up without resting your head on your chin on your hands? Number 14. Write one sentence that tells 3 things you like to do on weekends. Remember, 3 things. Finished? Okay, let's look at number 15. Write a good sentence that tells about the picture and uses the word and. Finished? Okay, look at number 16. Write a good sentence that tells why it is dangerous to wear headphones when you ride a bicycle down a busy street. Okay, remember to keep writing neatly so I can read it. Okay? You finished with that one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, number 17. Write one sentence that tells what a rainbow looks like. Finished with that one? Okay, and number 18, the last one on this page. This information will be included in a paragraph about sports. Write a good main or topic sentence for the paragraph. Finished? Okay. Okay, Kason, can you sit up nice and straight for me, please? So, I want you to read some words that are not real words and tell me how they would sound. These are a couple samples. Let's look at the very first one. What is this word?
Wab.
Good. Wab. What is this one?
Ib.
Good. Ib. Now I want you to read each one of these to me, but don't go too fast, okay? And you may begin.
Sp. Tiff. Soup. Vin. Wugs.
Okay. Oops. Okay, now the next set.
Mip. Foy. Lick. Lack. Jocks. Bine. Atrib.
Okay, let's go to the next set. Please do the same thing.
Bulletin. Ripped. Butted. Squad. Countries. Battle. Fintober. Fintober.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Kason, I want to listen to you read aloud. Read as carefully as you can. not as fast as you can. If you come to a word you cannot read, just do your best and then go on to the next word. Okay? So, right here, we're going to start right here. A story about bees. Okay, now you go on.
Bees are little. They are bugs. Bees can make wax. Bees have lots of jobs.
Good. Okay, go ahead with the next one.
Here is more about bees. They live in most parts of the world. They have 2 parts of wings. There are 3 kinds of bees. The queen is the only bee that is able to lay eggs.
Okay, remember, if you come to a word you cannot read, just do your best and then go on to the next word. Okay, go ahead and start right here.
The largest and most important bee is the queen. The worker bees and drones are smaller than the queen. Like other bugs, bees have 3 parts of legs. Bees are aggressive only if they are disturbed. Sometimes a teacher may ask, "Do you know how long bees live?"
Okay. Go ahead.
Beekeepers often build man-made furnaces to protect the honeycomb. Major job of all bees is finding, gathering, and storing pollen in nature. Cross-pollination occurs when pollen from 2 plants is mixed. Many different varieties of bees are found on every continent except Antarctica. The male bees, called drones, are unable to gather food, so the workers kill them during the mating season.
Okay. Okay, Casey, take a look at this page right here where it says test 8. I want you to read some sentences and decide if the answer is yes or no. Look at sample A. A cow is an animal. Is that true?
Yes.
Yes. Because the answer is yes, you would circle the letter Y. Now look at the second sentence. It says, a fish can read. Is that true?
No.
No, because the answer is no. You would circle the letter N. Okay, see right there? Circle the letter N. Now, I'm going to have you look at the next 4 sentences. Draw a circle around the correct answer for each sentence. Work as quickly as you can without making mistakes. This is practice. These next 4 right here. Okay, go ahead. Okay. Apple is blue. No. A wheel is round. Yes. A man has 2 legs. Yes. Ice is hot. No. Okay. Now, I want you to go ahead and start with number 1, and you're going to do the same thing. When the timer goes off, then you will stop. Okay, I'll wait till you're done yawning. Okay, sit up nice and tall. And you may begin. Okay, stop. Thank you. Okay, Kason, I want you to work on some simple arithmetic problems. Okay, I'm going to have you start here, right here, and I want you to work across and work on each problem until you finish the page. When you finish this page, you go on to the next page. Okay?
Is there a timer?
Yes, there's a timer. And you may begin. Okay. Stop and put your pencil down. Thank you. Okay, Kason, can you sit up nice and straight and tall? I'm going to ask you to write some short sentences about some pictures. So let's take a look at the first picture and the words that go with it. The words that go with it are good, cake, and is. You need to write a short sentence about the picture. Okay, you could say the cake is good. Okay, see how you used all three words in that sentence? Okay, let's look at number 8, or B, excuse me. There's a picture of a pig. The words are pig, fat, is. What is a short sentence we could say about that?
The pig is fat.
Good. Can you write it down for me, please? Okay, remember it's a sentence. Okay, let's look at the next picture. It's of a ball. This ball big. What is a sentence you could write?
Is this ball big?
Okay. Okay, now let's look at the last example. It's a bell, and the words bell ringing the. What sentence could you write?
The bell is ringing.
Well, yep. Okay, good. Now, I'm going to have you write a sentence for each picture and its 3 words. Okay, so here's the first one up here, number 1. You may use the 3 words in any order, but do not change a word in any way. I will tell you any words that you want to know. If there's a word you don't know, I will tell you what it is. If you cannot think of an easy sentence to write, skip that one and move on to the next one. When you get to the bottom of each page, go to the top of the next page. Keep working until I tell you to stop. Keep your sentences short and work as quickly as you can. You will have 5 minutes. Tell me if you finish before I say stop. Okay? So you may be, wait a second, Kason. 5 minutes this time. All right, you may begin. Okay, stop. Thank you, Kason. This concludes Kason's testing, age 10, grade 3.